Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another video. Hope you all are doing good. So back with another Hunter 350 related video, and in this I'll be talking about the seat option of the Hunter 350. And in my previous video, like in the pros and cons video, I have already explained that Royal Enfield offers two options with the customization of the seat of Hunter 350. If you haven't watched the pros and cons video, then you can definitely check it out in the I button here, where I've explained every single pros and cons of the Hunter 350 that I faced over the course of 1 or 2 months of ownership. So now moving forward, today I'll be talking about the custom seat that I got, and as such here is the seat itself. So this is the custom seat. As you can see, there is the tag custom written here, and also you can also identify with the double red stitching out here. So in this video I'll be explaining in details about the seat itself, like from where I purchased it, how to assemble it to your motorcycle, and how are the comfort levels. Is it different or is it better than the stock seat? Every single details I will be explaining. But before moving into that part, do like, share and comment in this video. That really helps me a lot. And also, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon to get notified for future updates. With that said, let's now get started. So first off, talking about the custom seat itself, here is the seat, and yeah, I got this from Amazon, and the product link will be given in the description below. So it costed me like around 4,300 rupees. Right now the sale is on, the Prime Day sale or something like that Amazon is offering, and it will cost you like around 4,250 for the custom seat itself. So again, product link is given in the description below. You can definitely check the link to buy the custom seat if you want to for your Hunter 350. Now moving forward, here is the seat itself, and yeah, as such you can see how cool it looks with the double stitching out here for the rider section here, and again Royal Enfield embossing is also done here. Then there is the tag here, custom tag, that is given, which proves that it's a genuine Royal Enfield product. And also down to the other side you can see the part number and all. Every single details will be given in the description below. Don't worry about it. I don't want to speak it out like the part number currently in the video, because it's really very long, like alphanumeric characters are there. But again, moving forward, talking about the whole seat itself, like about the custom seat, when compared to the stock seat, it has a much contoured part here in the rider section, and also for the pillion part the foam has been reduced, and here also the foam has been reduced. But I believe this is much more comfortable when I compared it with the comfort levels of the stock seat, because in the stock seat the foam is too soft for me, for my taste, like how I like it, because I own a Vespa, and in my Vespa also the seat is firm enough, and as such I could do much more long ride with the motorcycle or with the Vespa. And I was looking for the custom seat because I got the test ride of the custom seat when I went for the test ride, or when I looked for the test ride of the Hunter 350 in the showroom back in February. So as such, from that day itself, this seat was on my mind. There is also another seat called a bench seat for someone who is like tall enough. For them, the bench seat increases the seat height to 810 mm. This doesn't increases the seat height, neither it decreases the seat height. It is a myth that with the custom seat the seat height decreases. No, the only reason you are able to flat foot with the installation of the custom seat is that the front portion here is really very contoured, and as such it's easier for you to plant both your feet to the ground. So no, the seat height doesn't decreases, it still remains 790 mm, which is obviously super low. But again, few might think that it is tall enough, but no, don't fall for this myth that the seat height decreases with the installation of the custom seat. It doesn't happen like that. Also, talking few more things about the custom seat is that this portion here, the rider seat portion here, the material is totally different when compared to the custom seat or even the pillion portion here. So here it is like faux leather, but this is not faux leather, and it seems to be like Alcantara. But no, don't get me wrong, this is not Alcantara. The texture is like Alcantara. You won't get Alcantara at 4,500 rupees, come on. But yeah, the texture is something like that, and as such the grip is really very good. Even if you do some hard braking, you won't slide forward. And also this material seems to be like drying up very fast even if it gets wet. So really very cool, and I love this portion actually, the red double stitching. This will go nicely with the color of my motorcycle. I will show you once I install it. So keeping this aside, and now talking a few things about the stock seat itself, like there will be a little bit of comparison and as such. And so comparing with the stock seat, now let me show you how the stock seat looks. So here is the stock seat, and as you can see how bulky it is, lots of foam. So you might be thinking that this will be comfortable enough for long rides. No, trust me, for long ride this much foam is not really very comfortable, and as such you will start feeling pain in your crouch area and all those sorts of parts, and also your bum will start feeling pain because you will be going inside your body will be going inside the foam when you do long ride with the stock seat. For like short rides and all, this is good enough. But yeah, as I have already mentioned in my previous videos, I will be like doing some long rides with my 150. As such, I am doing some modification with the bike, and it will be all genuine, as I have already told it in previous videos. Like most of the things where my body will be touching, it will be all genuine. I don't want to ruin the aesthetics of the motorcycle by doing some unwanted unnecessary customization. So as such, I got the genuine seat itself. I'm happy like how it's performing. So yeah, only drawback if you get the additional band seat or even the custom seat like I got is that you will have to keep the stock seat with yourself, and as such this additional seat will be there sitting in your home. So I think you can sell it like online later on if you don't want to. I'll be doing the same. And as such, now the only thing left is to show you how to install the custom seat to your motorcycle, because it doesn't need any like it is not a rocket science. Anybody can do it, whoever willing to get this custom seat for your 150. And also I'll definitely show you how to do it, and after that I'll be talking about the comfort levels and all those sorts of stuff. But trust me, this is really very comfortable for my riding style. I prefer hard foam rather than or hard seat rather than very soft seat for riding a motorcycle or a scooter. So let's now show you the assembling of the seat or installing the seat to my 150 motorcycle. So finally the time has come to show you how to assemble the custom seat to the 150, and as such I have reinstalled the stock seat for just demo purpose to show you how to remove it and then place the custom seat that I got. And first thing first, you have to put the bike in center stand, and after that you have to open this side panel here. Let me just show you. So take the key and then put the key in the slot here and rotate to the clockwise direction, and as such you have to pull the side panel here. So from down there and again from this side and this side, like this the side panel will come out. Really very simple. So put it aside in a nice and safe place. Then there is a latch here to this extreme side here, so you have to pull this latch or this cable mechanism, and then the lock will unlock of the seat, and from the back side you have to lift the seat like this, and like this the whole seat will come out. So there you can see the first aid kit, and I will be putting this first aid kit to the custom seat there, and then I will install the custom seat. So really very simple. You have to just take out the rubber band from there and take the first aid kit, put the rubber band to the stock seat like this, and now take the custom seat and put aside the stock seat. So just like the first aid kit was there in the stock seat, you have to take the first aid kit and put it in the custom seat, and as such secure it with the cable or the rubber band that's already provided with the seat itself. So here you can see first aid kit is back in its place, and there is a lock here. So this lock will again go to this side here. Once you open the seat, you will get to know whatever I am talking about. You will just know this is really very simple. So as such, you have to just put this slot here in the seat, to a slot in the tank here, just like this. You have to push it forward and then press the back side of the seat here, and as such the seat is securely placed in its position. Now I will show you how it looks like, but before that I have to put back the side panel again. So taking the side panel again and putting it with the slots given there, and then locking it in place. So everything is done, it's sorted, and as such it's now totally placed and secured in its place, the new custom seat that I got. And now let me show you from near how it looks like. So once the seat has been installed, it looks something like this. And as I was talking about the double red stitching, so it goes well with the color scheme of my motorcycle. So here you can see there is red accents in the side panel here, and also the Royal Enfield written in the tank here. So this contrast actually goes well with my motorcycle. I am really loving it, and from the first day itself when I got the test ride of the motorcycle, I got it on the custom seat itself, and from that day, since February, this seat was in my mind because I felt this seat to be much more comfortable and it's going much more with the motorcycle, like the styling of it. And as such I have installed it. And likewise, as I have mentioned before, you have to keep the stock seat in your home, or you can sell it later. But after the installation of the custom seat, the bike is looking really very nice. And yeah, for me, I love like hard foam, so this foam is harder when compared to the stock seat sitting over there. And as such, hard seats I believe are much better for doing long rides. And also the material here, as I've already mentioned before, is provide like good grip, and as such you won't slide forward if you are doing some hard braking. And yeah, other than that, I don't think I have to say anything more about this seat. And yeah, this is looking really very lovely. So again, I'm talking about the pricing details. It costed me 4,300 rupees, got it from Amazon. So the product link will be given in the description below. You can definitely check it out if you want to buy this, or even if you want to buy the bench seat, it's available in Amazon. So product link for both the custom seat and the bench seat will be given in the description below. You can definitely check it out. So with that, I am now ending the video. And before ending, if the video is helpful and if you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and comment in this video. That really helps me a lot. And also, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon to get notified for future updates. With that said, that's it for today. Ride safe, bye, take care.